This is my poem, The Constant Tin Soldier Revisited. A ballerina of my dreams, dancing across the imaginations of so many rapt admirers, world famous lady, you know all men want you to love them back, and I, permanently fixed at patriotic attention, am sworn to never show emotion. For whom do I dedicate this service? For whom do I bear this whirlwind from the trenches? For you, my ballerina darling. If I could but speak to you, I love you would force from my core and white consolation. Mr. Anderson lived this story before I was born. I know the social gulf between me and you, that we could be burned, melted, fused, and permanently joined together in a fire that could quench the desire of my impassioned soul. Thank you.